Hello and welcome to the video on how to create a course and assign it to the users on Atum LMS. For that you need to go to create a course tab. I'll click here. I'll put the course name. I can select the start and end date from here and then I can upload the course. This is my course. Now you can see the course is getting uploaded on clicking the next. Now the course has got uploaded. Here I can now select the users. I can select the users individually or I can select them all in a single click and I'll say assign the users. Now these users have been assigned to this course and I click on the finish. Here you can see the users have been assigned to the course. Thanks for watching this video.